For a fundraiser, Kelly ran 1,760 yards, Rhonda ran 980 yards. They raised 1 cent per foot, so they each figure out how many feet they ran. How much more money did Kelly raise than Rhonda? Okay, so your answer is money, obviously. Okay, so Kelly, Rhonda. Now, if I want money, it says 1 cent per foot, so I'd have to take 0.01 times the feet that they ran on both of these people. The problem is they don't give us in feet, they give us to them in yards. So we know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard. You don't have to know all the conversions, but you should know that there's 3 feet in 1 yard and 12 inches in 1 foot. That's like middle school. Okay, so I got a couple things. 3 feet over 1 yard. 3 feet over 1 yard. Because I need to find out how many feet both these people ran. Okay. So feet, yards, feet, yards. So Kelly ran 1,760 yards. I need to find out how many feet that is. Okay. So I'd take 3 times 1760 divided by 1. That's going to be 5,280. That's actually a mile. Okay. But they want feet, so that's what we'll put. So I know that she ran 5,280 feet. Okay. Now Rhonda ran 980 yards, so I want to find out how many feet that is. So I'd take 3 times 980 divided by 1, 2,940. Okay. Now I multiply those. So this lady earned $52.80 for the fundraiser. This lady here earned $29.40 for the fundraiser. Now the questions ask me how much more money did Kelly raise than Rhonda. So now I need to take the $52.80 and subtract the $29.40. That gives me 23.4, which is $23.40. Okay. All right, we're going to do another one. For a fundraiser, Jim ran 500 yards, Shelly ran 800 yards. You got to think about it a little bit. Okay. They raised 5 cents per foot. So they figured out how much feet they ran. How much more money did Shelly raise than Jim? Okay. Now, obviously, Shelly's going to raise more because she ran further. Okay, just a second, I'm clicking something on my computer. So I want to find out how much more that Shelly raised. So Jim, Shelly. So 5 cents. Each one's 5 cents times the feet. 5 cents per foot means every feet you ran, you raised 5 cents. Okay, but the problem is they're in yards. Okay, so 3 feet equals 1 yard. So we have 2 conversions to make. Okay, we need to find out how many feet these people ran. So we know that there's 3 feet to 1 yard, 3 feet to 1 yard. Feet, yards, feet, yards. Okay, so that's your rate from here. The actual amount, Jim ran 500 yards and Shelly ran 800. So we want to find out how many feet each of them ran. So 3 times 500 divided by 1 is 1,500. So that's the feet that Jimmy Boy ran. Now Shelly, 3 times 800 divided by 1 is 2,400. That's the number of feet that Shelly ran. So 0.05 times 1,500 gives me $75. Jim, that's how much Jim raised. And then 0.05 times 2,400, that's 120. Then we want to know how much more Shelly raised than Jim. So we take 120 minus 75, and that's $45. Okay, $45.